Matilda Elizabeth Tilly Ramsay is an English television presenter, chef, and social media influencer best known for presenting the BBC cooking show Matilda and the Ramsay Bunch on CBBC alongside her family. Ramsay has made numerous television appearances including This Morning, Blue Peter, MasterChef Junior, Friday Night Jazz, and The Late Late Show with James Corden. Her parents are Tana Ramsay, a cookery book author, and Gordon Ramsay, a celebrity chef. She resides in both the United Kingdom and the United States with her family. Ramsay first appeared on television in 2005 when she appeared alongside her brother and two sisters in her father's show The F Word on Channel 4. Ramsay made another appearance in the third episode of the second series when the Ramsay family went to visit Jeremy Clarkson, who was starring in the episode. Before Ramsay started presenting Matilda and the Ramsay Bunch on CBBC, she made several appearances on her father's TV shows MasterChef Junior and Hell's Kitchen from 2010 to 2015. In 2015, it was announced that Ramsay would get her own cooking and entertainment show on CBBC. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.